Welcome to our class assembly. Good morning. Welcome to the 9 o'clock news. You two have been learning about dinosaurs.
They have been writing acrostic poems.
N is for naughty. O is oh no. It's for scary. A is for attack. O is for ugly. Is for raw. It's for scientist. Knock knock. Who's there? Dinosaur. Dinosaurs don't say who, they say roar. Roar. What did the dinosaur say when he saw the volcano explode? What a lovely day.
We have breaking news. Over to you, Maya.
Thank you. I'm reporting live from Secret Heart Roman Catholic Primary School that there has been reports of dinosaurs walking among us.
Can't believe it. We have no idea what's happening.
What do you think?
Dinosaurs haven't walked the earth for millions of years. I am Mary Ellen, the famous fossil hunter. Fossils are bones of dinosaurs. We need to dig to find them. Here are some we made in class. Dinosaurs have been extinct for over 165 million years.
And that'd be great.
Some scientists believe that a volcano erupted, and others believe that.
I was up until 11:30 at night trying to get it sorted. I thought, you know what?
This is a very serious matter. If the dinosaurs are back, we're going to be in big trouble. Well, I hope they don't grow and become big dinosaurs.
What else have you been learning about?
Which dinosaur is this? He is a T-Rex, the king of all the dinosaurs. That he was a carnivore, that means he ate meat. Well done, which dinosaur is this?
That is a stegosaurus. They had bony plates on their back to protect them from other dinosaurs. The stegosaurus lived in the Jurassic period.
They were herbivores, that means they ate plants. Fantastic, which dinosaur is this? That is a velociraptor. They lived in the Cretaceous period. They were carnivores. They were very small but very fast. Velociraptor means speedy thief. Brilliant. Which dinosaur is this? That is a Brachiosaurus. They lived during the Jurassic period. The Brachiosaurus was the tallest dinosaur. It used its long neck to eat leaves on trees. They were herbivores. Brachiosaurus means arm lizard. Can we share our poem? Of course. 1, 2, 3. assembly.
I'd say we're now dinosaur experts. Stay tuned for our next topic.
That's the Endosaurus.
Children, let us all join our hands as we say the Hail Mary, with it being the month of October.